Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to aim better in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting, I will just tell you the steps which I'm going to show you. So there are basically 3 steps that I personally know. So the first one is to shoot consecutively. Like after shooting your first aim with a very small pause, like a millisecond, and shoot your another aim in the same direction. So, and the second step is to move in the direction of your aim, which I will show you how to do that. And the third step is dancing. So that's basically moving in the direction of your enemy. So if your enemy is moving in the right direction, you should also move in that direction while also shooting the enemy. So I will try to show you the first step, which is to shoot consecutively. So let's go and play. So the first step that I was talking about was shooting in the same direction twice, like with a very small pause in between. And I will show you how to. And the second step was to move in the direction of your aim. So if you are moving in that direction, so I can't really explain how it works, but you have to just simply move in the direction where your aim is going. So like in this example straight, so I have to just run towards the direction and not in like opposite direction. So just keep running in the direction of your aim. And now for the third step, which is to move in the direction of your enemy. So as I've said before, if your enemy is moving in the right direction, you just move in right direction, keep firing, so that way you will be able to aim better. So let's say like here, as you can see, I've knocked him out. So just keep moving the direction of your enemy. If he moves right, if he moves left, that way you will be able to aim better in Brawl Stars. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.